Have you ever opened your closet full of clothing and you felt like you had nothing to wear? The problem is not your wardrobe, it's your styling. So today I'll be showing you ways to unlock your personal style identity, and dressing up will just become easy and effortless. Welcome to the VEEJAYREX Fashion School. I'm VEEJAYREX and this is our fashion styling beginners class. In this first lesson, I'll be showing you how to unlock your personal style. Fashion styling is more than just wearing clothes. It's about creating harmony between your personality, your body type, and the image you want to project out there. Every outfit sends a message, whether you are aware of it or not. Styling is a way of making that message intentional. Example, you're going for a job interview at the bank. You can't be dressed in an urban style, but rather a classic style, except you'll be sending the wrong message. Let's look at 5 style personalities most people fall into. Number 1, classic. Number 2, trendy. Number 3, chic. Number 4, bohemian. Number 5, streetwear or urban style. The classic style comprises of simple, neat, and timeless. The trendy comprises of bold, experimental, and follows fashion trend. The third one, which is the chic, comprises of sleek, minimal, and often use neutral tones. The fourth one, bohemian, comprises of free-spirited, colorful, and flowery. The last, which is the streetwear or urban, comprises of casual, edgy, or sporty. Knowing these your best styles helps you make better wardrobe choices. Here's a quick exercise. Open your wardrobe. Pick the 3 outfits you wear the most. What do they have in common? Colors, comfort, or fit? That common thread is the start of your personal style identity. Before we close, here are 3 styling principles every beginner should know. Number 1, fit over fashion. If it doesn't fit, it won't look good no matter the brand. Number 2, less is more. Keep outfit balance, do not over-accessorize. Number 3, confidence is key. The best outfit is one you own with your presence. Styling starts with understanding yourself. Once you know your style, you can begin to explore and elevate from there. If you found today's class helpful, make sure you subscribe to VEEJAYREX Fashion School. In our next class, we'll be talking about color combination. Make sure you don't miss it. Follow us on TikTok for daily styling tips and updates. Remember, style is your silent language. Speak it well.